If your Heroku account is locked, follow these steps to regain access quickly. This guide will help you navigate the process efficiently. Step 1. Visit the Heroku login page. Go to the Heroku website and click on the login button. Enter your email and password to see if you can access your account. Step 2. Check for account lock notification. If you cannot log in, look for any notifications regarding account lock. Heroku may send an email explaining the reason for the lock and the steps to resolve it. Step 3. Follow the instructions in the email. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use Heroku to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Contact Heroku support. If you did not receive an email or cannot resolve the issue, contact Heroku support directly. Provide them with your account details and explain the situation for assistance. Step 5. Wait for confirmation. After submitting your request to support, wait for their response. They will provide confirmation once your account is unlocked or if further action is needed. Once you've completed these steps, you should be able to access your Heroku account again. If issues persist, continue to communicate with support for further assistance.